Welcome to the WION Podcast, where we explore fascinating stories and ideas from various fields. In this episode, we uncover how India's BrahMos missile, born from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's 1993 vision, has now evolved into a supersonic force capable of striking every corner of Pakistan, while also looking at the power and politics behind all of this. India's BrahMos missile, a homegrown supersonic weapon, has become a defining symbol of India's defense self-reliance and technological strength. Co-developed with Russia, the missile reportedly played a key role in striking Pakistan's military bases during the May 7 to 10 conflict known as Operation Sindoor, where it demonstrated unmatched precision and power. The missile's story began in 1993, when Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, then Secretary of DRDO, visited Russia to explore joint work on supersonic missiles. During his visit, he came across a half-finished supersonic engine project that had been abandoned after the Soviet Union's collapse due to a lack of funds. Recognizing the potential of collaboration, this meeting laid the foundation for a landmark defense partnership. 5 years later, on February 12, 1998, Dr. Kalam and Russia's Deputy Defense Minister N.V. Mikhailov signed an agreement to create BrahMos Aerospace, a joint venture between DRDO and Russia's NPO, with India holding 50.5% and Russia 49.5%. The venture was established to design, develop, and market the world's only supersonic cruise missile, bringing together Indian innovation and Russian experience. The first contract, signed on July 9, 1999, included India's contribution of $126.25 million, about 1,100,000 crore rupees today's price conversion, and Russia's share of $123.75 million, around 10,890 crore rupees. Work began that same year in the specialized laboratories of DRDO and NPO. The first successful launch took place on June 12, 2001, from a land-based launcher at Chandipur, Odisha. Since then, BrahMos has been displayed at major international defense shows, beginning with Mach 1 in Moscow in 2001, marking India's entry into the global missile arena. Following numerous successful tests, the missile was inducted into the Indian Army, Navy, and Air Force. It flies at a speed of Mach 2.8, nearly 3 times the speed of sound. Its success is rooted in India's Integrated Guided Missile Development Program, launched in 1983 to achieve self-reliance in missile technology. Originally designed for land and ship launches, the BrahMos was later modified in 2013 for air launch capability, making it adaptable across all major platforms. The most challenging task, said S.K. Mishra, former Director General of DRDO, was to integrate the missile on the Sukhoi 30 MKI fighter jet. The redesign, handled by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited or HL, was estimated by Sukhoi to cost 1,300 crore rupees, but HAL completed it for just rupees 88 crore, showcasing India's engineering excellence. The missile's global reputation grew rapidly. In 2024, India delivered the missiles to the Philippines, marking its first export of the supersonic system. This followed a $375 million, or 33,000 crore rupees, deal signed in 2022, with a second batch delivered in April 2025. S.K. Mishra noted that other countries, including Argentina, have also shown strong interest, demonstrating its global credibility. At present, India has 3 BrahMos variants: air-launched, land-based, and submarine-launched. The missile operates in 2 stages: a solid fuel booster for takeoff, followed by a ramjet engine that propels it to Mach 3 speed, allowing it to fly from 15-kilometer altitude to just 10 meters above the ground. Its fire-and-forget principle means that once launched, it needs no further guidance. With a low radar signature, high speed, and massive impact power, it is extremely difficult to intercept. Originally limited to 290 kilometers under Missile Technology Control Regime, or MTCR rules, the BrahMos range was extended to 450 kilometers after India joined the MTCR in 2016. Ongoing tests aim to develop a new 800 kilometers version, featuring an upgraded ramjet engine and improved guidance systems, including an INS, inertial navigation system, that works even without GPS, and external navigation through GPS, GLONASS, and NAVIC satellites. The new version, expected by 2027, promises greater accuracy and resilience against jamming. Once tests are complete, the Navy can upgrade its existing 450 kilometers BrahMos missiles to the 800 kilometers version through software updates, modifying only the fire control graphical interface. The Army and Navy will induct the upgraded version first, followed by the air-launched variant. In March last year, the Defense Ministry signed its largest ever deal worth rupees 19,519 crores to buy over 220 BrahMos missiles for the Indian Navy. About 20 warships, including India's latest destroyers and frigates, are already equipped with vertically launched BrahMos systems. Following Operation Sindoor, the Defense Acquisitions Council, led by Rajnath Singh, also approved 110 more air-launched BrahMos missiles worth rupees 10,800 crores for the IAF. Calling Operation Sindoor a trailer, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh declared that every part of Pakistan is now within BrahMos's reach, sending a powerful message to India's adversaries. Speaking on October 18th, after flagging off the first BrahMos batch from the Lucknow unit with Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, Singh described the missile as a symbol of India's growing self-reliance and technological power. He said, "India believes its enemies cannot escape the power of BrahMos." Referring to Operation Sindoor, he added, "If India could create Pakistan, it also knows what to do when the time comes," making his message unmistakably clear. During the same event, Rajnath Singh noted that the Lucknow facility will produce around 100 BrahMos missiles each year for the Army, Navy, and Air Force, generating a 3,000 crore rupees turnover and rupees 500 crore in GST revenue. He praised the speed and efficiency of the project, which has strengthened both BrahMos's reputation and Lucknow's industrial identity. He also highlighted PTC Industries' contribution in setting up the Strategic Material Technology Complex, proving that India is moving rapidly toward full self-reliance in defense production with strong private sector participation. From strategic material production to ready-to-fit critical components, India's entire missile supply chain is now domestically developed. From a vision shared in 1993 to global recognition 3 decades later, BrahMos stands as a living symbol of India's innovation, resilience, and resolve. It is not just a missile, it is the embodiment of India's confidence to defend its sovereignty and shape its future in the modern world. Thanks for tuning into this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come. Stay tuned,